124. That's how many steps it takes to get up or down this hill. But when the snow comes, people are getting down a lot quicker.
I like to go tubing down the hills and go pretty fast.
Sledding is very popular in the winter here at Old Main for all ages.
Been out here my whole life, 37 years. So.
But with the steep slope and slick ice, serious injuries can happen.
Hit the part of the asphalt that was covered in snow, and it twisted me around, and I ended up hitting the tree. I started losing feeling in my hands and legs, and I couldn't feel anything, so I thought I was paralyzed.
But who's to blame when serious injuries happen?
It's the parents' responsibility to watch out and decide whether their kids ought to be coming down or not, or from what height their kids should come down.
If my kids got hurt, that was their fault. My fault for bringing them sledding.
Although sledding down Old Main Hill can be dangerous, some people still risk it for a little bit of fun.
Years after the accident, Humphreys still hasn't touched the hill.
Not that I'm scared or anything, but it's just, I don't know, brings back some scary memories of being thrown into the ambulance.
He takes responsibility, but says the school can do something to actually prevent future injuries.
Nighttime, like, it would be nice to have more lights, because that was the main problem.
Speeding down a tree-lined hill without any brakes usually is an accident waiting to happen.